So you're going to want to start with buying a ONN numeric keypad, which you can get at Walmart for about $7.53 plus tax. This right here is completely optional. It's a little sticky thing to put on the back of it to make it stand up, and labels to draw little pictures. Both those are completely optional. You simply just plug in the keypad. There's no drivers required to install or anything like that. And you want to go to your settings inside of OBS, go to hotkeys, and then just set the hotkeys for whichever numbers you want them to be. This right here, it's all personal preference. It doesn't have to be in any order. The only one you cannot use is the numlock button that I know of. I haven't tested all of them yet though. After you figure out what you want to do with them, which ones you want to set up, you just simply hit the OK button after you hit apply. Okay, now we're going to demonstrate here a little bit. I put the little piggy sticky thing on the back of it to make it stand up. It's a little wobbly, so I might have to get a new one of those. As you can see, when I hit 1 and 3, it switches between my scenes in OBS, and 2 unmutes the microphone. 5 hides and unhides the camera. You can set it up to make certain pictures or GIFs show up whenever you want. This is simply demonstrating the mute and unmute. I use OBS to record the video, so I couldn't really show the scene switch, and here it is with crappy little button stick on it. I didn't really take a lot of time or add them all yet. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it informational.